Namaste, good day to all my students. In this lecture, I will explain about multi-stage graph. Before going to the depth of multi-stage graph, first of all, we will understand what is the meaning of multi-stage graph. What is the meaning of multi? Multi means more than one. And what is the combined meaning? More than one stage graph. This is a detailed explanation of that one. I will take one example and we will solve it. There we will understand more about multi-stage graph. See, this is the example of a multi-stage graph, right? Then now you have confusion that what is multi-stage? There are different stages, more than one stage. I will show the stages. Here you can see here V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Normally while seeing V, you may think that it is a vertex. Actually it is wrong in this case of multi-stage graph. This is different stages. There are total 5 stages. First stage is V1, second stage is V2, third stage is V3, fourth stage is V4, and fifth stage is V5. In the stage 1, there is only one vertex. The vertex number is 1, this one. And that vertex we will call it as a source vertex. Right? You see in the stage 2. Stage 2 means row 1 parallel line, which of the vertex it is touching. V2, there are 4 vertices. First one is second, third, fourth, and fifth. In V3 means third stage, there are 3 vertices. Numbers are 6, 7, and 8. Fourth stage, V4, there are again 3 vertices, 9, 10, and 11. The last stage is 12. Last stage is 5. It having only one vertex, call it as 12. Now it is showing as S and here it is showing as T. S is the source and T we will call it as sink. Sink means S-I-N-K. In most of the textbooks they will use the word as sink. Or for simplicity you can understand that it is destination. Now what it is showing here is, while seeing this big graph, do not get confused. It is very simple problem to be solved. Right, you can see here figure 5 stage graph. This 5 stages only it is showing. That's why name is 5 stage graph. Now what is the aim of us to do? Here we have to find out the minimum path or shortest path from the source vertex to sink vertex. In other terms, from 1 to 12 we want to find it out. Clear? Now you may got confused that already in the previous module you studied Dijkstra algorithm. That also it's a shortest path. What is the difference between Dijkstra as well as one more is there, Bell-Manford. You studied in this module only. Dijkstra, Bell-Manford and multi-stage graph. This Dijkstra and Bell-Manford, it is showing the single source shortest path. And there we do not have a division like stages like here. I hope it's clear. But in the multi-stage graph, we having different stages. Based upon the stage, we have to calculate the value. That is a difference. Right? Based upon the stage, we have to calculate the shortest distance. And in the textbook, how it is solved, based upon that only I am solving. But there is a small difference I done it. I made one table here. What I feeling is this table will help you to do the things very fastly, other than what it is explaining in the textbook. That is why if this table is there, it is very easy for you to calculate the things, right? That you will understand once I am going to solve this problem, right? First of all, in the multi-stage graph, we can solve using two methods. One is called as forward approach. One is called as backward approach. Both the approach, it is asked 2 or 3 times in the previous year examination. That is why you have to study both the approach. One more difference is there. Up to now, they are not asked any problem. They asked about explain forward approach. They asked for 8 mark. You can explain it. What I am explain, first of all, multi-stage graph onwards, you can start explaining. Otherwise, here algorithm is there. That algorithm you can explain. If some other way, if I am saying you can study one problem, you can explain based upon that problem. Many ways you can do. First thing I want to say is 2 approaches are there, forward and backward. We should study both the approach and we have to solve the problems based upon both the approach. Same problem only I will solve using forward as well as backward. Forward approach I will solve in this video. Backward approach I will solve in the next video. Right? This one we will solve the forward approach. Right? I will write here forward approach. First method, call it as forward approach. Yeah. Now what I will say that what is forward approach? Backward approach we will see in the next video. What is forward approach? I already told what is our aim? 1 to 12 shortest path. That is our aim. In the forward approach, how it is going to solve here is, first we will start with the end vertex or where the sink it is there or where the destination is there. From there onwards we are starting solving. That is called it as forward approach. In other terms, if I am saying we are start solving from 12 to 1. We will do in the reverse way in the forward approach. Do not think the name it is forward. Do not think that it is going to solve from 1 to 12. It is not like that. The name it is forward. It is going to solve from 12 to 1. I hope it's clear. Now 12 how to do we will see. Right? Right. Now the first step is we have to start with the 12. Right. It is very easy here. 12. 12 is the last vertex and stage number it is 5. What is the distance from 12 to 12? Already you know that it is 0. That is the first step we have to write. And here some formulas are there. Now I am not going to explain the formula. We will solve it. At that time we will frame some formula. That particular formula is the basic formula. That we will see later. First we will solve it, so that clearly you will understand. Now we are writing for the 12. I already told that from 12 to 1 we have to solve. That's why I am writing for the 12. I have to find it out the shortest path. For shortest path we will say as it is the cost. Right? Before that I will explain this particular table also. I missed to explain this table. That's why I will explain it. Then we can solve it and we can fill the values. What is this B? B is the different vertices, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These vertices up to 12. Last one is 12. Cost. Cost means shortest path we are finding. That one we are going to write it here in the second row. In the third row we will write to which vertex it is going to penetrate. I know you will confuse now what is D. While solving you will understand clearly, and while getting the shortest path again more clearly I will explain what is this particular D. Right? Do not want to think more. And one thing again I will say, it is in which vertex it is going to penetrate. That value we are going to write it here, the vertex number. Now I will solve 12. We have to write as cost of, cost means path we are finding, shortest path, cost of 5, 12. That is the way we are going to write. Now you may got confused that what is this 5? 5 is nothing but the stage number, that is 5, I hope it's clear. 5 is the stage number and 12 is the vertex. I hope it's clear. This is a method we are going to write. Cost. Cost means shortest path for which stage? Fifth stage. Fifth stage. Which is the vertex number? 12. That only fifth stage, vertex number 12. In other terms, if I am saying what is the shortest path from 12 to 12, it is obviously you know that it is 0. Right. Now cost we find it out. The formula it is cost. What is the cost of 12 to 12? It is 0. That I can write it here. 0. I hope it's clear. Now I should see what is D. If I am finding 12 to 12, 12 means 12 to 12 itself. It is penetrating to 12 only. To 12. Correct? It is penetrating to 12. That is why the D value it is 12 only. I hope it's clear why I took the 12, because that vertex is penetrating to that one only. The next step onwards, it is going to become more clear for your paper, right? Now, which is the next stage? We're done with the fifth stage because there is only one vertex. Next, we have to go to the fourth stage, right? Fourth stage, how many vertices are there? We having 3, 9, 10 and 11. We will solve one by one. Instead of 5, I should write as 4 because we are in the fourth stage. Which is the first vertex? First vertex, I will start with 9, right? Based upon this order, we will go 9. 4, 9. I hope it is clear why it is 4. 4 is the stage number. Why it is 9? 9 is the vertex number. The thing here it is what is the shortest path from 9 to 12? There's no confusion. There is only one edge is going and the weight of that particular edge it is 4. That is why you can write it as 4 only. I hope it's clear. Stage number and vertex number. It is stage number is 4 and vertex number it is 9. 9 means 9 to 12. Why? Because the destination it is 12. Initially I already told, right? But we are not reached our actual source, and while calculating we will think in each stage that is a source I will think. That's why 9 I am thinking as the source and destination is obviously it is same, it is 12. What is the distance? It is 4. That is why where I should update on 9. I hope it's clear. I should update on 9. 9, what value I should update? 9 I should update as 4. Correct? Next, due to which vertex I got 4? Because 9 is penetrating to where? 9 it is penetrating to 12. Due to 12, I got 4. That one I should write it here. 12. I hope you understood why I took 12. Because from 9 to next immediate vertex which is penetrating, it is 12. That is why it is 12. We done with 9, we can go with 10. 4 is same. Correct? 4 is same. We do not want to change. This 4 I am saying, 9 we have to change because the stage number is 4 and the vertex number it is 10. I will write as 10. Alright. What is the shortest path from 10 to 12? Obviously the straight path, straight edge, it is 2. For which one I should update in this table? It is 10 I should update. What is the value? It is 2, right? Yes. Due to which vertex it is penetrating? 10. 10 is penetrating to the next immediate vertex. It is 12. I will adjust these values. Yeah. I hope you clear with this particular values what I written. Next, last vertex in the stage 4. It is 12, right? sorry, it is 11. Fourth stage only, it is fourth stage only, it is 11. This particular one, what is the value? 11 to 12. Because why it is 12? The destination it is 12. What is the value? It is 5. Right? Where we should write that one? In the 11th position. Why we are not thinking about 4? Because 4th is the stage. And our aim is the vertex number. 11th, what we should write? We should write as 5. Right. And 11 is penetrating to which vertex? It is 12. I hope it is clear. Second stage is over. That is stage number 4. Next we are going to the stage number 3. See here the stage number 3. I will change here. 5 I will change. 5 it is wrong. This everything it is wrong. Now I have to go with stage number 3. First I will write as 3 comma, which is the first vertex. It is 6. Now from here onwards it is little bit get confused. Why? Because this, you see here 9, only one edge is going to the destination. Here you see here from 6, one edge is going to 9, one edge is going to 10. There are two values are coming, or two edges are there. We have to find it out which is the shortest one. That is why we have to see which one is better, right? That means two path is going to come. One is to 9, one is to 10. That one we have to write it now, right? Cost of 3 comma 6 is equal to, in that 6, in this both the path, which is the smallest one I have to find. That's why I will apply minimum function. Minimum of, from first we will take 6 to 9. Minimum of C of 6 comma 9. Right? What is C of 6 comma 9? This edge I want to get. That is why C comma 6 comma 9 means this edge length I will get. I hope it's clear. This edge length is nothing but 6 I am going to get it here. That is my aim. Right? Plus the distance from 9 to 12. Correct? Because from here to here, from here to here. From here to here we already done. That only C 6 comma 9 plus 9 12. Already we solved in the previous one, V4. What is 9 value we already having here? That is how we are written that time. Cost of 4 comma 9. Correct? Is cost of 4 comma 9. Because already it is there in this particular table. We can get it the 9 value here. And one more is there. We done for this one. We have to do for 6 to 10. How to write? C 6 to 10. C of 6 comma 10 plus, you have to close this one, plus cost of, from the 10 cost already we calculated here, but for writing the cost function we having the standard formula. For the cost we have to first to write the stage number comma 10. I hope it clear, because now we are finding out the shortest path from 6 to 12 and another one is 7 to 12. 6 to 12 is going by 6 to 9, 9 to 12. Otherwise 6 to 10, 10 to 12. This path is better or this path is better? That is the question here. Now you have to add that particular value. Right. I will add it. What is C 6 comma 9? C of 6 comma 9, 6 comma 9. The value it is 6. I will write as 6. Plus cost of 4 comma 9. What is 4 comma 9? Cost of 4 comma 9 means we have to get it from this cost table. 4 comma 9, 9, what is the value? It is 4. Comma C of 6 comma 10, 6 comma 10. This particular edge, it is 5. 5 plus cost of 4 comma 10. Cost means we have to see in the cost table 4 comma 10. What is 10? It is 2. Now which is the minimum? We have to calculate, right? 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10 comma 5 plus 2, it is 7. 7 is smaller or 10 is smaller? Obviously 7 is smaller. 7 should update on stage number 3, 6. That means 6 I should update as 7. Correct? And it is penetrating to which vertex? It is penetrating 6. 6, 10, 4 comma 10. Which vertex it is penetrating? 6 to 10. Which is the next immediate vertex which is penetrating? We have to take 6. If you are calculating, next immediate vertex it is penetrating. Do not think that it is 12. Next immediate vertex penetrating it is 10. That is why we have to write here as 10. Where? Here as 10. I hope it's clear. First, which vertex it is going to penetrate? That one we have to calculate. I hope it's clear. 6. Now we will go with 7. I will which of the values I want, I will use, and remaining values I will remove here. Third stage I want. This C values I will keep. Cost also I will remove. This also I will remove. This value I will remove. This all the let it be calculations plus I will keep. Yeah. Now I will see third stage only, which is the next value. It is 7. 3 comma 7 I should write. 3 comma 7. How many edges are going from 7? 2 edges. 1 is to 9 and 1 is to 10. That means 2 paths we have to write like the previous one. Right? Which is the first path we have to write? Minimum of, again 2 paths, which is the minimum of 7 comma 9. We can write that one here. 7 comma 9 plus cost of 4 comma 9. Why cost of 4 comma 9? Because already we calculated for 9. 4 is the stage. 4 comma 9 plus 7 to 10. That is 7 comma 10. 7 comma 10 plus cost of 10. Correct? Because we are penetrating to 10. That is cost of, not directly 10. We cannot able to write here 4 comma 10. Correct. Now we have to calculate the value. C 7 9. 7 to 9. What is the value? It is nothing but 4. Cost of 4 comma 9. What is 4 comma 9 value? 4 comma 9. 9 I should see. It is again 4. What is the 9 value here? It is 4. Because cost value we are taking. Because cost is in the second row 4. 7 comma 10. C of 7 comma 10 means this particular edge we are going to get. It is 3. Right? Then cost of 4 comma 10. What is 10 value? It is 2. What is the value will come? 4 plus 4 it is 8. 3 plus 2 it is 5. Which is smallest? 5 is smallest or 8 is smallest? 5 is smallest. No doubt 3 comma 7. 7th we have to write as 5. 7th we have to write it as 5. I hope it's clear. Now which vertex it is going to penetrate? 7, 10. 7 to 10. That 7, 10th only it is going to penetrate, and we are finding out from 10 to 12. That is the value we are going to get it here. It is 2. Which vertex it is going to penetrate? It is penetrating to 10. That's why we have to write it as 10 here. 5, 10. I hope it's clear. Still, I will adjust this value. Yeah. Now, in this stage, the last one, this one completely I will solve. In the second stage, I will solve only one value, remaining value. Please solve it. And last stage also I will solve. 8 I will solve. Now, which of the values I don't want, I will remove it first. This 7 I am not required. These values 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 I am not required. This value, these values, and these all the values I am not required. I will remove it. Now we will still calculate. Third stage, 8th one, right? Third stage, we have to calculate for the 8th one, 3, 8. From 8, how many edges it is going? There are only 2 edges. One is to 10 and one is to 11. And this is 6. Do not confuse that it is 0, it is 6. First, how to write C of 8, 10, right? C of 8, 10. And cost of which vertex we are there? 10. Already we calculated. Cost of 4, 10. Why 4? We have to write the stage number 4, 10. Clear. Now next one is 8 to 11. How to write? C of 8, 11. What is the cost? We are in the 11. Already we find out for 11. How to write? 4, 11. Correct? Yes. 4, 11. Now we have to take the value 8, 10. What is that row value? 8 to 10. It is 5. We have to write here as 5. Cost of 4, 10. 4, 10. 10, what is the value? It is 2. C of 8, 11. 8, 11, what is the value? It is 6. Cost of 4, 11. What is the 11 value? It is 5. 5 plus 2, what is the value? It is 7. 6 plus 5, what is the value? It is 11. Which is the minimum? 7. Minimum of 7, 11. Which is the minimum? 7 is the minimum. 7 have to update on 8. Here we have to write it as 8. I should write it as 7. And which is the penetrating vertex I should write? Which vertex it is penetrating? To see here, this is the value it is getting 8 to 10 from which is the penetrating 10, right? Here also we have to write it as 10. Now we will solve the stage number 2, first vertex 2. I will write the formula once again. Why I am writing once again is because from the 2 you see that there are 3 edges are going. One is going to 6, one is going to 7, and one is going to 8. That means 3 paths we are going to get. Out of these 3, which is the shortest one, we have to calculate. The another meaning is 2 to 12 we are calculating. There we are going to get 3 paths. How you are getting 3 paths? From 2 itself we are getting 3 paths. From that 3 path, which is the shortest one. I hope it's clear. Now I am going to write. How to write? Cost of 2, 2. Why it is 2, 2? The first is 2 is showing the stage number, and the second 2 is showing the first 2 is showing the stage number, and the second 2 is showing the vertex number. Right? Right. Second 2 is showing the vertex number. I hope you can understand. 2, 2. Standard wave level, right? That first 2 is showing the stage number. Second 2 is showing the vertex number. Equal to, I will write equal to here, equal to minimum of, I will write the flower bracket, minimum of, first we will take 2 to 6, that is C of 2 to 6. C of 2, 6 plus, right? I will enlarge it, 2, plus 2, 6, 2 to 6 plus from 6, what is the shortest path? Already we find it out. From 6, the shortest path is 7. From 6, the shortest path is 7, right? What is that 7? Actually, 7 is this path. It's not this path. This is path 6 to 10. 5 plus 2, 7, right? Okay, that is the path here, because already we find it out for the 6, minimum of 2, 6 plus shortest path from 6. Shortest path from 6, how to write? It is cost of, which is the edge, it is which is the stage, it is 3, 6, comma. 1 we find it out, one path. Next is 2 to 7. How to write 2 to 7 here? C of 2, 7 plus 2 to 7 plus the shortest path from 7. Already we calculated. How to write? It is cost of 3, 7, right? Cost of 3, 7, right? Okay. Now, comma, one more value, because 2 to 8 we have. How to write? C of 2, 8 plus cost of, what is the value? From 8. From 8 we find out, yes, we find out the shortest path. How to write? Cost of 3, 8. Why it is 3? 3 is the stage and 8 is the vertex, right? Already we have. Now we have to put the values. Right. I will put the value. C of 2, 6. 2, 6 it is 4. 4. 3, 6. What is the value of 3, 6? What is the 6 value? It is 7. It is 7, comma. C of 2, 7. What is 2, 7 value? 2 to 7. It is again, it is 2. It is 2 plus, what is cost of 3, 7? Cost matrix is here. Cost table is there. We have to find it out here. Cost of 3, 7. 7 it is 5. Comma. The last value 2, 8. What is 2, 8? 2 to 8. What is the value 2 to 8? 2 to 8 it is 1. This value 1. 1 plus, what is this cost? 3, 8. 8, what is the value? It is 7. What is the value? 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 2 plus 5 it is 7. 1 plus 7 it is 8. Which is the smallest one? The second one is the smallest one. 2 plus 7 it is 7. This is the smallest one. This 7 is the smallest value, because here 4 plus 7 it will come as 11. Right? I will write so that confusions can be avoided. And 2 plus 1 plus 7 it is 8. Which is the minimum one? The minimum one is 7. Where we have to update? For the 2. 2 we have to update as 7. For which vertex it is going to penetrate? From 2 to second one, right? 2 to 7. Penetrating vertex is 7. Already I told, which is the direct penetration we have to take. It is 2 to 7. What is the value we have to write it for 2? 7 and this value also 7. Which 7 it is? Second value? Second value 7 it is penetrating vertex, right? I will adjust this value. I hope it is clear. Now please do it for 3, 4, 4 there is no problem. 4 is very simple. 11 plus shortest to 8 that we have to update. That first I will write. Every value I will write. Please solve it like this and you will get the values. For the 3, 4, 5 I will write directly. For the 3 the value will come as 9. 3 the value will come as 9 and for the 3 the penetrating vertex will come as 6. This vertex will come. 3 the penetrating vertex will come as 6. Please solve it. 3 we done. Next we are seeing for the 4. 4 value will come as 18. 1, 8. And for the penetrating vertex will come as 8. This is the vertex. I will write it as 8 here. And for the 5, the value while calculating, it will come it as 15. For the 5, the value will calculate, it will get as 15. And the 5, the penetrating vertex, it is 8. This vertex only. For D, I should write. I hope it's clear with this all the values. Correct? Now, the last value from the source to the next immediate stage. Source is first stage. That's why some of the values which I don't want, I will remove it. This value I don't need. I removed all the values better only because we have to do for 4 values out of 4, which is the smallest one. Because 4 edges it is going. That I will write it here. Right. Now, how to write that particular formula here? The formula we have to write it as cost of. I will start from last part because it will be good. Yeah, I will start from here only. Cost of 1, 1. Why it is 1, 1? First stage is 1 and the vertex number is 1. That is why 1, 1 is equal to minimum of which of the values? First 1, 2 we will take. C of 1, 2 plus 1 to 2. 2 already we find out. Yes, shortest path we found out. How to write here? Through the cost we have to write. That is why cost of, which is a stage, it is 2 only. It is 2, 2, right? I will adjust it. It will be okay. 2, 2. Right. Comma. 1, 2 we done. That is done. Next is 1, 3. How to write? C of 1, 3 plus cost of 3 we reach from the cost of 3. We already calculate that. We can write as cost of 2, 3. 2 is the stage and 3 is the vertex number. Comma. Now next is 1, 4. We have to calculate for 1, 4. C of 1, 4 plus cost of 4 we calculated. Cost of 2, 4, right? 2 is stage and 4 is the vertex, and the last one, comma, for the 5, 1 to 5, right? C of 1, 5 plus from cost from 5. How to write cost of 2, 5? Cost of 2, 5. Now I will calculate the value. What is C12? C12 is 9, right? Here I will write in the second line. Here it is 9 plus what is cost of 2 what is the cost? It is 7. 9 plus 7 is the first value. It is 16. Next is C13 comma here comma I forgot comma C13 it is again 7 plus what is cost of 2 means stage 3 we have to search. 3 is 9. Again the same value only. Here 9, here it is 9 plus 7, here 7 plus 9. Same, it is 16. Comma C of 1 4. It is 3. It is 3. That is nothing but 1 4. That edge value we have to take. 3 plus cost of 2 4. What is 4 value? It is 18. Anyway, that particular value it is become too high. Comma. I will write all the values here only. This value I am not going to write it there. C15 value it is 2. 2 plus cost of 2 5. What is 5 value? It is 15. 15. What is the smallest one? 2 plus 15 it is 17. This is 17. This value is 21. Anyway, it is larger than 17. This is 16 and this is 16. Meaning of this one is 16 is the smallest value. That means cost we have to update as 16 only. I should write as 16. Which vertex it is penetrating? Due to both the values are same, both the vertex we have to calculate. This value also same, this is same. Which vertex in the 1 2 it is penetrating? It is 2. 1 3 which vertex it is penetrating? It is 3. That is why 2 bar 3 we have to write. We have to write as 2 bar 3 or slash 3. Right. This is our calculation. I hope you understood clearly, and I hope you understood what is the importance of making this particular table, because we can easily search the cost values from this table. Otherwise, we have to turn back the pages. Here, one page, if you are seeing every values, you are going to get it. It will be very easiest method. Now, after doing this one, we have to calculate the shortest path, right? This is the initial step. These are all of the shortest path, and with the help of D, we have to write the shortest path. Now we can write that particular value. Then later we will see the formula, right? Yes. Now I will write that particular values. I will write it here only. See. Now we solve all the values from here to here. That means 12 to 1. Now for writing the path, we can start with 1 because we are using the forward method. D of, which is the first stage, it is 1. 1 comma 1. Why 1 comma 1? 1 comma 1, what I am saying is first stage, first vertex, if I am there, where I should go. First stage, first vertex. D of first stage it is showing already previously also. We are not worrying about, but we have to show that stage here. First stage, first vertex. Where it can go? It can go to 2 or 3. First I will consider for 2. That is why equal to 2. What is the meaning? Meaning is first stage, first vertex if I am starting. Next I can go to 2. That is the meaning of this one. Right? Meaning of this one. I can go to 2. Clear? Right. Now, next value I should write. Next value is, which is the next stage. Definitely the stage number 1 is over. Next we have to go to stage number 2, comma, which value we got it here, or which vertex we got it here. We have to write it here. I hope it's clear. Now that one we have to search. Stage number 2, D of 2. What is D of 2? This one. What is the value here? 7. That means From 2, after that you have to visit 7. Now 1 we went to 2, from 2 we have to go to 7. That is the shortest path. 1 to 2, 2 to 7. Up to where? Up to there we got it. Now next, which is the stage? Second, one stage over, second stage over. Next we have to go to the third stage. That is D of 3 comma, which is the vertex we got it in the previous iteration. We are in standing in which vertex? We are in 7. 3 comma 7. What is the 3 comma 7? 3 is stage 7. D of 7 we have to see. D of 7, what is the value? D of 7, it is 10, equal to 10. What is the meaning? Next we have to visit the 10th vertex. First 1 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 10. I hope it's clear. Obviously last vertex is 12. That also we have to calculate. How to do? It is D of, I will adjust this value. Yeah. It is D of stage number 3 we done. Now we are in the stage number 4 comma, which is the value we got it here. What is the value? It is 10. 10 equal to 4 comma 10 for the stage 10th. What is the value of D? 10th, what is the value of D? It is 12. That means we reached 12, right? Now which is the first vertex? From 1 we will go 2, 7, 10, 12. I will write in the pathway so that clearly you will understand. I will write in the pathway. First is 2. From 2 I will visit the 7. This path I am writing 2, 7. Next is I will visit the starting. I forgot. Source is 1 because here it is starting with 1. We have to start with 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 7 to 10, 10 to 12, right? What is 1 to 2 value? What is the path? 1 to 2, 1 to 2. What is the path? Path length is 9. 1 to 2, that is here. 1 to 2, the path length is 9. That 9 plus, what is 2 to 7 path length? 2 to 7. What is the path length? It is 2. It is 2. What is 7 to 10 path length? 7 to 10. It is 3. It is 3. What is 10 to 12 path length? 10 to 12 path length is 2. If I am adding, what I will get? 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is nothing but 16. This particular 16. I hope it's clear. For 1 to destination 12, that 16 only we are getting here. I hope it is clear by you why the 16 is coming. This 16 only it is coming here. Now one more path will get. Previously first stage we selected 2. Next we have to select 3. That also I will do it now so that it will be clear for your paper, right? That also I will do here. This one, I should remove this 2 only. Anyway, it is gone again. I will write once again. What is the first value? D of 1 comma 1, which is equal to D of 1, first stage, first vertex. 1, 2 already I done previously. Now it is 3, right? Now I have to do it for 3. Now the next value is how to write second stage. D of 2 comma, what is the value? I got it here, 2 comma 3 equal to 2 comma 3. What is 3 D value? It is 6. Now next is D of, which is the stage 3. 3 comma, what is the value? We got it here. Why it is 3? Second, first stage is done, second is done. Now it is third value, it is 6. Which is the 6? This 6, what we calculated previously. That 6, D of 3. 3 is the stage. 6 we have to search is D value. It is none other than 10. Hope clear. What is the last value? Not last value, one more Yes, we reached the 10 last value only. D of which is the stage 4 comma 10. What is the value? 4 comma 10. The value it is 12. Now we reach 12. That's the meaning. First we will go to 1. From 1 we have to go to 3, then 6, 10, 12. Please calculate that value. I will calculate here. First we will start with the 1. From the 1 we are starting because starting point is 1. This is 1. Then we have to go to 3 because we got the answer as 3. From the 3 we have to go to next vertex, it is 6. From the 6 we have to go to next vertex, call it as 10. From the 10 we have to go to next vertex, call it as 12. Right? 1, 3, 6, 10, 12. Just calculate it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the value? It is 7. Here it will be 7. 7 plus 3 to 6. What is 3 to 6? 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is nothing but 2. The value it is 2. And 6 to 10. 6 to 10, the value it is 6 to 10. The value it is 5. This 5. And 10 to 12. 10 to 12, what is the value? It is again the previous same value, it is 2. Just add it, 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. Again, it is going to get as 16. I hope it is clear with how to solve this particular problem. And I hope you clear with that formula also, how to calculate it, right? This is the way we have to solve it, this forward approach. Now we will see that algorithm plus the formula. First we will see the formula, then we will see that algorithm, right? Now I will clear all these values here because otherwise for the next slide it is going to overlap. I will go to the next slide. Yeah, this is the basic equation, right? Basic equation. Before I am going to explain, again I will take the example of any one of the example. I will take the example of stage 3 vertex 6. I will write that particular formula, then I will compare with this particular basic formula so that it will be clear for your people, right? I will go and write that particular formula first. Cost of, which is the stage, third stage. Cost of 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6. Cost of 3 comma 6 equal to, how to write? Minimum of, because there are two edges are going, 1 to 9, 6 to 9 and 6 to 10. Both I should write. I hope it's clear. I will write firstly minimum of C of 6 comma 9 plus cost of 4 comma 9 right, comma C of 6 comma 10 plus cost of 4 comma 10. Right, these are the two formulas we got it because there are two paths. That's why two we got it. Now we are going to compare with this one. Minimum, here also minimum. C, here it is ij. What is I? I is the stage number and j is the vertex number. Here what is stage number 3? What is vertex number 6? I hope it's clear. I is the stage number, j is the vertex number. I hope it's clear. Like that. Minimum is minimum. C only. that edge we have to get. How to get that particular edge? Edge we have to get it from J. Why? J is, in this case it is 6. Here it is 6. 6 to L. This is L only. L means any other vertex. L means any other vertex. J to L will form a edge. J is 6 to L is 9. It will form a edge. That's why 6, 9. I hope it's clear. J is this J, or here it is 6. L is any other vertex. Both together it will form the edge. That is why 6, 9 plus cost of I plus 1. What is I? I is 1 stage. Here it's next stage. What was the stage here? 3. Here it is I is 3. I plus 1 is, I is 3. I plus 1 is 4. That is why here it is 4. Plus what is the L value here? L is 9. Same L here. It is 9 here. I hope it's clear. That is a basic formula. Here it is L, here it is 9. Here it is L, here it is 9. And what it is written in the blue font. J comma L. What is J comma L is this one. Already 6 comma 9. 6 comma 9 is an edge. That's why it is saying. J comma L is an element of edge. It is an edge. What is I is an element of, I is an element of V of, it is suffix only, V of I plus 1. I is a, what is the meaning of here? It is I is a stage. V of I plus 1 is the next stage. It's both, it is showing both are stages. That is the meaning here. I and V of I plus 1 and both are stages. I hope it is clear with this particular basic formula. Using that formula only we solve it. I hope this is clear. Now we can see the algorithm, right? Also I will clear everything. Now we will go to the algorithm part. Next one. See here, this is the algorithm. Formula, same formula. In the algorithm, they reduce this formula. The same formula only it is written as here. Can you say why it is making it as small? See, cost of J. Because I it is not given. I, because in the formula also while calculating, here I, it is I plus 1. Already we know it is second stage, it is third. That's why they are not mentioned here. J means we are getting as that particular value. For example, it is 6th vertex. If you want to find out that 6th here, it will get, you will get as cost of 6. That is cost of 6 means this 6. We have to get it as 7 as the value. C of JR. What is C of JR? JR is the edge. C of JR is the edge. In the case of cost of 6, what have to get it here? Cost of 6, we have to get it as 6, 9. That one we have to get. For that one, this is the one. J is 6. Here it is 6 means J is also 6. R is the new vertex. Now, what is the R value there? There the R value it is 9 here. I hope it is clear. Right? R value is 9 here. Plus cost of R only. Plus cost of R. Cost of R means from 9 to the, I will show you, cost of 9. We are not writing the stage value. Cost of 9 means 9 to 4. It's nothing but this value we are going to take. The same formula only. What is the modification they done it here is, the stages just they removed. Both the stages they removed. That's it. Nothing more than that. Right? Same formula. Now we will understand here. F graph means, what is the meaning F? There are two methods already I told, forward and backward. Forward graph. What is G it is showing? Our graph, that big graph. What is K it is showing? K is showing number of stages. How many stages are there in the previous graph? There are 5 stages. That 5 value it is going to come there. The value of K it is 5. What is N? Number of vertices. How many vertices are there in the previous graph? There are 12 vertices. That means n value will come as 12. P is the path, shortest path storing variable. It is P. P it is actually it is an array. You can see here. P is an array. Right? Now you see here. What is the first step we done it here? First step we calculated for 12. Right? Started with 12. Directly we can make it as 0. Why? 12 to 12 it is 0. Correct? 12 to 12 it is 0. That is why cost of n. What is the n value? It is 12. Cost of 12 it is 0. Cost of 12 it is 0. Cost is here 12 it is 0. That is the first step. Now a loop it is there. J have to start with n minus 1 to 1. Each time have to be decrement. Step minus 1. Why it is n minus 1? Because first we done for 12. Then we will do for 11. Then it is 10. At last we will come to 1. That is why n minus 1. N value was 12, 11 to 1. We have to fill this value. That's why the loop is starting from 11 to 1. I hope it's clear. And this one, what it is explaining, we have to calculate this particular formula. Already I explained that formula, same formula. While calculating that formula, we will get the cost of the value. Cost of the value we can update here. While getting the cost, we have to update the D also. D is what D we are updating? We are updating the D value as R. That is very important. That's why I told which is vertex it is penetrating. Here J to R. In the case of 6, which vertex it is going to penetrate? 6 to 9 if it is coming, 9 it is going to penetrate. But in the case of 6, the smallest path is to 6 to 10 only. That's why 10 is the penetrating. That penetrating only it is showing as penetrating means R. That R only we are storing for the D. D of J. What is the J value? This same J. If we are taking as 6, it is 6. D of 6 should be 10. Which vertex it is going to penetrate? This is the edge. Here R is penetrating. That is by R. I hope it's clear. For the 6 we can update. Now we will see out the path. This value I will calculate. P of 1 is equal to 1. Why? We have to start with the first vertex. For finding the path, we have to start with our first vertex. Here we have to start. That is why we have to do it for P of 1 is equal to 1. P of k is equal to n. K means last vertex. Where we have to reach? Last vertex means we have to reach at 12. That is why P of k. What is k value? Number of stages. Which is the last stage? It is 5. Last stage 5. What is the vertex? Vertex is 12. That is why it is coming. Now we will find it out for the first P of 1 is equal to 1. We will start with the first vertex. Already I explained. 1 to first. Next we have to get it as 2 here. Already we calculated. How to get that particular 2? I will do it here. I will do it here. Now J values, it is a loop. J is equal to k minus 1. What is k minus 1? K is 4, 5. It is 4 will come. First value I will calculate and I will show you. Next, now the answer I have to get it as 2 because P of 1 it is 1. Next vertex we are going to visit as 2. 2 or 3. I will go with 2. How to get? We will see this formula P of J. What is the J value? It is 2. P of 2 equal to D of P of J minus 1. What is P? I will write P of J minus 1. What is J value? 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. What is P of 1 value? It is already given. P of 1 is 1. I will replace P of 1 with 1 here. This whole P of 1 I will replace with 1 because P of 1 value it is assigned as 1, right? Yes. What is D of 1 value? Definitely D of 1 value is 2. That one is going to come as P of 2. I hope it's clear. First we will visit 1. Next we will visit 2. How? P of 2. P of 1 is 1 means first we will visit 1. Next path is 2. It is going to store. For 2, D of 1. What is D of 1 value? It is 2 we are going to visit. From 2, what is the next value? We got it. Already I solved. From there, next value we have to get it as 7, because from now we are in 2. For 2 we have to visit it as 7. How to get that 7? We have to get that, we will calculate. What is P of 2 value now? Just now I got D of 1. It is 2. I will store here because I want that value. It is 2. Now the loop we will execute. J is equal to 2 is over. Now J is equal to 3. Then P of 3. P of 3 equal to D of, what is P? P we have to write as it is. P of J minus 1. What is the J now? Currently it is 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. What is P of 2 value? In the previous iteration we calculated, it is 2. This P of 2 I will replace with a 2. What is D of 2 value? D of 2. It is 7. I hope it's clear. Like that we can reach up to 12. I hope it is clear with this algorithm also, using the forward approach. Already I told, up to now 3 to 4 times it is asked. Every time they are asking the theoretical part, you have to explain this one very clearly. And what is the time complexity is total number of vertices plus total number of edges. That means number of vertices and number of edges, it is increasing. It is going to take more time. I hope you are clear with this particular multi-stage graph using forward approach. In the next video, we will watch the backward approach. Thank you. Thank you very much to all my students.